So today we are going to be, well, I'm going to be showing you how I get this nice subtle ombre using the scrub method. Let's see, can you see it? So this is how it looks, and I really like the scrub method because I don't know, it looks pretty. I do it both ways, but I've been liking the scrub method more. I am going to be using ViviDip, I'm sorry, in the colors Bare It All and Milkmaid. Ooh la la. So I already started. I put some peel base. I've been loving their peel base. I've been loving her peel base. I actually like it more than, let's see, I'm looking for it, than the UNT. And I'm being honest, I love the UNT. I use several of these, like all of them, because I do manis like every other day. These will pop off like the same day or the next day. With this one, and that's with one layer. With one layer of this one, it'll stay on until I want it to pop off, until I like pick at it to pop it off. And I really like that. So this is my new favorite peel base, and let's get right into it. You're gonna need a brush like this. This is just a Wet n Wild. I got it from the Dollar Tree. This is the package that it came in. It's brand new, baby. It's brand spanking new. I was using ones from Ulta, but yeah, I got this one specifically for this video. So I'm gonna be using this brush. I just have my nail file here because I was touching up the edges and stuff. So I'm going to go right in with the base coat and get started. I'm gonna go in with the color that's the lightest color first. So whatever color you're gonna use for your ombre, use the lightest color first, because the darker color you're gonna scrub that in. It'll be harder to scrub in the lighter color. So this is how it looks with one dip of Milkmaid. I really love this color. So now when you're about to do your second coat, or should I do another full coat of Milkmaid and then do one coat of this afterwards? Okay, so I'm gonna do another coat of another dip of Milkmaid, and then I'm gonna start scrubbing with Bare It All. So let me put one more coat and then we'll get started scrubbing. I'm just gonna buff this a little bit just to make it smooth around the edges, so that when I use Bare It All to scrub it onto there, it'll be nice and smooth already. So I'm just gonna buff it. when you're about to do the scrub method, you first, can't speak, you polish your nail with the base just as you normally would, and you dip into the color just like you would if you're just applying one color. Okay, and then you dip into it. Oops, I should have had this one open. You tap off the excess, and then you go right in and you just start dabbing it on there. And I kind of like push it in there. Oh, you can't see. Focus. Okay. So I kind of just like push, and then I start swirling it around onto there. Oops, I should move this out the way. You don't want to contaminate my whole jar of Milkmaid. So this is just what I keep doing until it looks just the way I like it. So let's focus. This is how it looks. Now if that doesn't look good enough for you, if it's too subtle, you can put a clear coat, and then when you put that clear coat, you can just do the same thing you just did. Just keep dabbing it onto there. Hey, I just noticed this has a place where your finger can go, like that. I'm so glad I got the big jar of Bare It All, because isn't this color so pretty? This is how it looks in the jar, and this is how it looks with 2 coats. Ain't she pretty? Okay, let's dust this off, and this is how this looks. So this is how it looks just with Milkmaid, and this is how it looks with Bare It All. It's really subtle. For the sake of the video, let's do let's do clear and then scrub in some more. So let me dust this off. Good. With this. Oh, that looks nice now that I put that on there. I don't want to do it now. Okay. So now let's go in with some more Bare It All. I got a little black speck on it right there, but this is how it looks now. I really like that. I think I actually like it like that. How can I get this out? I'm going to put a clear coat another clear coat, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks after it's activated. So this is how it looks now that it is all activated and everything. I really love the way that it looks. It looks so nice and natural. Let me file and buff this one, and then I will come back and show you how it looks, and we'll get to finishing the rest of these nails. Okay, so I am back, and this is how it looks after it is filed and buffed and has some gel top coat on it, and I really like the way that it turned out. So I'm just gonna do the rest of these nails. I'm going to dip in here and then start scrubbing with this one. So we're gonna put this one away, and to do our second dip, we're going to dip in a clear and then scrub so that we don't lose this color that we just scrubbed when we want to scrub some more. So, oh, I forgot to do my thumb. So we're gonna dip in clear and then scrub in this color. now I'm going to clear cap the rest of my nails and file and buff, and I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I just finished filing everything and this is how it looks. I put activator, that's how my fingers look kind of crusty. But I'm gonna put my top coat. Yeah, they looking real crusty right now. I put my gel base and then my gel top coat, and I will show you how it looks when I'm done. Hey you guys, so I'm back. I just washed my hands and now I am going to use some of my Unicorn Magic Deluxe Cuticle Rescue in the scent and lemon. Or should I use a fall scent because it's fall, you know? Okay, I use a fall scent. I'm gonna use it in Pumpkin Crunch Cake. Let's see. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells like so good. It makes me want some coffee cake. So here is how it looks, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was able to help you a little bit. And yes, bye.